Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to install OpenAI Codex on your VS Code. So I've opened my VS Code here. Go to this extensions tab, click on it, write Codex here. Click on this Codex OpenAI, click on install. Now click on this switch to pro release version. Now you can see this OpenAI logo here. Click on it. Click on sign in with ChatGPT. Continue with Google because I have a Gmail account. Choose your account here. Click on continue. Now you can see this message. You may now close this page. Close this tab. Go to your VS Code. Click on next, next again. Now you can see this chat box appear. Let me say hi. Add a project to your codex. Let me open a project in the VS Code first. Open folder, select your project. Now I have opened project here. I'll again say hi. You can see the chat is responding. Now let me ask it for something else. Explain the code main.js. You can see it's working. So that's how you use codex in your VS Code. That's it for this video. Thank you.